Hey everyone, welcome to Lead Sync Link. My name is Sudhakar, your digital marketing expert. Today's topic is going to be about 5 mistakes which probably you don't know you are doing and it's hurting your website and you are unable to rank at Google. If you're struggling to rank higher on Google, chances are you're making at least one of these mistakes. But don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to fix them. Stick around till the end and I'll share a bonus tip that skyrockets your SEO game. Mistake 1. You're ignoring search intent. Google doesn't just rank keywords, it ranks content that matches what people are looking for. Example, if someone is searching for best laptops 2024, they expect a detailed, compromised guide, but if your page just promotes one brand, Google won't rank it. How to fix it? Match your content to the search intent. Write blogs, guides, and product comparisons based on what users want. Mistake number 2. Your website is too slow. If your site takes more than 3 seconds to load, users leave, and guess what? Google notices and ranks you lower. How to fix it? You can use multiple tools to compress your images, enable caching, use a CDN, test it, run your site through Google Page Speed Insights and fix those red alerts. Faster sites, better ranking, and more conversions. Mistake number 3. Your internal linkings are weak. Think of internal linkings as a roadmap for Google. Without them, search engines struggle to understand your content. Example, your SEO checklist. Post should link to your on-page SEO guide, so users and Google can navigate through your site easily. How to fix it? Always link to relevant pages inside your content. It boosts SEO and keeps visitors on your site longer. Mistake number 4. Your content is outdated. Google loves fresh content. If your article still says SEO Trends 2022, guess what? You're not ranking in 2025. How to fix this one? Update old post. Add fresh keywords. Improve readability. Keep your content fresh and Google will reward you with higher ranking. Mistake number 5. Your site isn't mobile friendly. Over 60% of search happen on mobile. If your site isn't optimized, you are losing traffic. How to fix them? Use responsive designs. Optimize core web vitals. Check your site with Google's mobile-friendly test. And here is a bonus tip. Focus on user experience. Google ranks sites that provide value. If your content is clear, easy to navigate, and helpful, you'll win. Now that you know the top 5 SEO mistakes, it's time to fix them. Hit the like button if you found this useful and subscribe for more SEO and digital marketing hacks. Drop a comment below what's the best SEO mistake you have made. Looking forward to see you in the next video. Take care.